Today we are going to discuss regular er ending verbs in French. Okay, that means in the infinitive form of the verbs, there's a er. For example, parler, right? Then we have manger. Then we have aimer, donner. So all of these verbs have, as you can see, er in the end, in the infinitive form. So that's why these are characterized as er ending verbs. When I say regular, can anybody tell me, Akshata, what do I mean by regular?
They form the tenses in a regular way.
And they conjugate in a similar pattern.
Yes, fantastic. So yeah, that was the answer I was looking for. When we characterize or categorize certain verbs as regular, all of these regular er ending verbs are conjugated in a similar way. Now conjugations are different for different tenses, right? We have only studied simple present and present continuous so far. There are many tenses. For example, you have passé composé, imparfait, futur simple, conditional, and few more. So conjugations will differ for tenses, but for any given tense, like for example, simple present tense, er ending verbs will be conjugated in the same manner, right? They will have similar suffix. Suffix is what you add in the conjugations, and you will see that this suffix will be repeated for conjugations of these verbs. Okay, so that's how they are characterized as regular. Let's take an example. Parler, which is a very commonly used verb, which is to speak, correct? So how do you conjugate this? When I say conjugation, we are talking about present tense, simple present tense, and present continuous. So we have je parle, tu parles, il, elle, on parle. Then we have nous parlons, vous parlez, il, elle parle. Okay, as I said, right, you can observe that there are this suffix e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. So what you do basically is that you take the infinitive. So infinitive is this is infinitive parler. Okay, you remove the er, you drop the er from the infinitive. So this becomes your called a stem, verb stem. Okay, so basically this is the common part, verb stem. To that verb stem, you then add the suffix, and the suffix are e, es, e, ons, ez, ent.
Yeah.
Right? Now, parler is one such example. We have many such verbs which are regular er ending verbs. For all of them, the process is same. Take out that thing, create a stem, add the suffix. For example, we have demander is to ask. Okay, it will be conjugated in the similar manner. Then we have danser. Danser is to dance or to dance. Okay. Then we have aimer is to like or love, both depending on the context. Gagner,
To win.
To
to
win.
win,
To win.
right? Then we have oublier. Oublier is to forget.
To forget. Yeah.
Yeah. Then we have refuser. Refuser is to refuse. Regarder is to watch. Yeah. Regarder la télévision. Chercher, to search, to look for. So all of these are conjugated in the similar fashion with the similar suffix. Okay.
Nous gagnons.
Gagnons, correct. Nous gagnons is we are winning or we win, both, correct?
Yeah.
You refuse or you're refusing.
Or you want me to say as a tu or a Jew?
Tu, like the
Okay.
informal.
Tu, refuse. Ends with
Refuse. So let's go back a little. How do you pronounce this one? Je parle, tu parles, il, elle, on parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il, elle parle. Okay, the one thing to notice here is that these four conjugations are pronounced in exactly the same manner. These four. Parle,
Okay.
parle, parle, parle. We don't say parler. Basically, this is silent. These two are silent, silent. This entire thing is silent. Right? Japal,
Okay.
Kipal, Pal, Pal. Similarly, if you look about refuse, refuse will be if you apply the same suffix, right? Je refuse, tu refuse, il, elle refuse, nous refusons, vous refusez, and il, elle refuse. Look at the suffix e, es, ons, ez, ent. But as I said, right, these four are pronounced exactly the same. Refuse, 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 refuse. Getting it?
Yeah.
Only these two are different. Refusons, refusez.
Got it.
I am searching.
Je cherche.
Je cherche.
Cherche. Cherche.
Why it is cherche now? See that thing we learned er combination. How do you say she is forgetting or she forgets?
L